Okay, today we want to show you how to reset the H2O, which means is to replace the water filter for this particular fridge, Whirlpool. So the best thing is to do is, first of all, you open the door, and it's usually located all the way right here. So you pull this one over like that, and you take it out. And you can see water is coming down. The reason is I just replaced it. I just want to show you how it's being done. And you push this in. Once you put it back in with the arrow indicator to the left, and you push in. Once you do that, you make sure you run the water like about 4 cups, even up to 6 cups to clear the water. You don't want to start drinking it or anything like that. And after that thing is done, you come over here and, oh, I'm sorry about that. It's the ice and those two. So I made a mistake, so let's just make it clear. We're gonna hold the ice type and the light together for 3 seconds. It shows right there. So now you're good to go. Other than that, that's about it. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thanks, have a good day.